For your first classical song, we're going to need to work to develop vibrato a little bit more extensively than we have thus far. We're going to strive to begin every pitch with vibrato. So at the onset of the pitch, you're spinning already, and then we'll try to sustain a consistent vibrato for the duration of the pitch, every pitch, even the quick pitches. That will be our goal, which is difficult. It's a difficult goal.
Yeah.
Classical music is really a challenge to sing. So I really struggled with developing vibrato when I was in college. My teacher, Mrs. Ruffin, would be trying to teach me how to sing with vibrato, but a straight tone just came really naturally to me. I had such a hard time. So after my bachelor's degree, I still really didn't have a very well-developed vibrato, like not as well-developed as it should have been for somebody with a bachelor's degree, you know.
Sure.
But this teacher, Dr. Harris, who I studied with for my master's degree, did this exercise with me, and this really helped me to develop a more consistent vibrato. So we'll sing just 5 pitches, descending seconds, and we'll have a little separation between each pitch, and you can even take a quick little catch breath between if you want to, but we need each pitch to spin like a little spinning pearl. When I say spin, I mean vibrato, right?
Yeah, gotcha.
Wiggle, spin, however.
I like spin.
Yeah, spin is a better way to think of it, but wiggling is what it really looks like.
Oh, really?
But in your head, you should think of the sound spinning kind of in front of your face. Usually that helps people. So here we go. We'll start here.
La, 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 la.
Sorry, I didn't tell you what syllable.
Yeah, I just.
But that is a good one.
Okay.
And I'll do a couple more.
La, 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 la.
That's beautiful. And since you're starting with an L, can you try to voice the consonant?
Sure.
Like get your pitch going on the L, and you can even think of spinning. Like even
Wow.
before you begin the vowel,
Yeah.
think of spinning.
Okay. La, 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 la.
Good. So that's the
Closer.
first step. No, that was good.
Okay.
Yeah, you're doing great. What I was just asking for is a small little.
Just get the thing started before you.
Yeah.
enunciate.
Voice consonants are really nice when you're singing. So now the next step is to string all the pitches together with no break, but to keep the spin in place the same way.
Okay.
So one breath, and this time we'll keep all the pitches connected with a legato line. Here we go.
Wow, that was a lot harder than I thought that was going to be. Wow.
So one syllable with multiple pitches is already going to be a lot more difficult than one syllable per pitch.
Yeah.
That's much more easy to achieve. So we made this more difficult in 2 ways, and now you don't have as much time to prepare the vibrato, and you have to keep going without stopping between. So let's try another one. And as we ascend, try to lift your soft palate once you feel that you're in that spot. You can really yawn your mouth open. God, Anthony, that's beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah, your voice just really really lends itself to classical singing, which is crazy because you've never done it before. Some people do. Many people will have to take years to build up to what you just did.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, just because whatever their voice, for whatever reason, it just doesn't fit that mold as easily.
Sure.
Every genre is going to have some people who just are a more natural fit than
Sure.
others. increase the speed and shorten the duration of each pitch.
La,
Keep the spin going.
la,
And open to the back.
la, la, la,
Spin really fast.
la,
Even faster if you can.
la,
Open more.
la,
Open more.
la.
There you go. That was a good one. That was better than the one before. Good. Spin. That's the last note you have to hit in this song. That was the last. Can you keep your spin?
No.
That's okay. That's a high B. That's a lot farther than you need to go for your song.
Yeah, true, true. I switched into head voice and realized how
Beautiful.
much easier that is. So that might change a few ways I approach it. Yeah.
Any questions about that?
No, that's kind of fun.
Yeah.
It's actually pretty fun.
Yeah, it is. And you can practice any of your current warm-ups with vibrato on every pitch and kind of work toward, like any of the patterns you've already been working on.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Remarkable.
Yeah. So not everybody likes vibrato. It's not the most popular of techniques in our time and this terrible culture we live in.
Yeah.
But it is the way to go.
Yeah. Well,
So.
it really, there's a level of like whenever I was listening back to some of the rehearsals, like, I think for pop and stuff like that, right? Like I get it, it's a little more relaxed and whatever, but there were moments where I really wanted to emote a sense of control, and I couldn't, like with flat tone, I don't think it's as easy to establish that sense of control, especially live. Like maybe in a recording environment, it's a little bit easier.
We'd want to say straight tone.
Straight tone?
Flat means
beneath
the pitch.
Flat. Yeah, got you. Straight tone. Yes.
But yeah,
Straight
vibrato is a way of opening up or blossoming open the sound as opposed to a straight tone. They both have their place depending on the genre, but yeah, for classical we almost always are going to be avoiding a straight tone.
Well,